This is an overview of Koolkids Video, a mythical organization which we will use to compare against other organizations in this space. This is all part of our competitive 360 analysis, and I'd like to use this as an example of how two organizations which are very different can end up competing head to head and have different results depending on how they want to interact with each other. Financial position. This is hard for Koolkids. No market capitalization, which is known. No cash on hand, which is known. Public statements, none on their finances. They are a Nordic-based organization with private ownership. Therefore, none of this is available. History. Consistent leadership since their 2010 formation. Senior leadership are all well respected within the video conferencing space. They have deep knowledge of the VC space, and they have an extremely loyal team dynamic, both within their customers and their resellers and their own staff. They are Nordics based. Go-to-market model. Sell through specialized distribution, not mainstream. They use traditional high-end resellers attracted to their business model. They can sell direct, although in reality, less than 1% of their revenues go that model. Clients are primarily user choosers or specifiers with experience of either the team or the products. Product portfolio. A range of products from huddle rooms to large rooms, almost all of which are Android-based bars. Innovative in trying new technology and solutions, but with mixed results. They have a superior experience than most manufacturers, both at a buying and using perspective. Think BMW or Bang & Olufsen as examples. What's their road to market? Downstream model, two-tier distribution, specialized distribution, specialist resellers, deep experience in videos, narrow capability to fulfill, partly because of product, partly because of the size of the resellers. They have vendor specialists who keep a very close eye on all the deals and ensure consistency of experience for the clients. Upstream model. OEM design, but with outsourced manufacturing. Manufacturing in Thailand. Relatively expensive bill of materials. Certain markets, including things like the US federal government, will be closed to them. We simply do not have the certifications or the manufacturing locations for those markets. ESG. Zero audited environmental credentials, not even measured by most companies, and therefore high risk. World-class working environment for staff, but not audited because they're not big enough. Zero audited government standards, privately held, opaque finances, would be perceived as a risk by any purchasing department. Alliances. Small partner with Microsoft and with other cloud vendors. Restricted partnership capabilities due to size, resources, risk profile, and ability to leverage relationships when this small. Considered Scandinavian cool, but ultimately slightly risky. Triangle of compromise. Definitely an innovator, often first to market. This is priced at a premium, and speed is considered about average for speed of innovation. Considered good, but not fast or cheap. Cool solutions that appeal to user choosers and certainly appeal to resellers who want a nice, warm, happy relationship rather than a cutthroat one with their partners. How do they pitch? Corporate pitch, the innovative choice of discerning clients. Resellers, long history with the team, a very brand A business model built on 30 years of experience and relationships, even though Koolkids Video has actually only been in business 10 or 12 years. High margin business with lots of support, and specialists excited, feel they're changing the world and see something bigger. These people are almost religiously excited about their technology and their company. Existential threats. What if the market commoditizes to PC margin levels? If video commoditizes, then where do they live? This is BMW in a world full of Kias. Major problem. What if the market doesn't move quickly to commoditization? Gives them runway to grow and float sell as an exit for the founders. A lack of market growth is how are they going to grow in a market that isn't? So very hard to see how you sell more premium products in a stagnant market. 5-year plan. Grow fast enough to become interesting to a larger player. Keep video innovation and cool factor. Leverage a market that believes in wanting a premium solution. Optimize the business for growth and attracting investment. And then look to sell or float the business, releasing capital for founders and employees. But does leave a question mark for customers. That endeth the overview of Koolkids video.